calling me, man. I'm not answering no more calls. I'm done. Like I told y'all, when I say I'm done, I'm done. Like, if I say I'm done, that's my word. Like, I'm done. Like, after that, like, I'm done. You can forget about it. I'm not having it. I'm done. If I say I'm done, bro. My word is my bond. Like, I'm not like other people, bro. When I say I'm gonna do something, I do it. When I tell you I'm done, I'm done. You feel me? Like, it just is what it is. Ain't no going back after what just happened, bro. Like, not twice in a row. Like, nah, man. Like, I've been with Eliana going on 3 years, man. Same shit from like the get-go. Working on it, ain't nothing changed. Ain't same type shit. And I'm like, to the point where after jail, that clicked, like, hit me. Like, man, nah, I'm good. I ain't fucking with that. Y'all can have that. I give a lot of people power. Like, I noticed that I give a lot of people power. Like, some people take that shit, some people abuse that shit, but I give a lot of people power, my nigga. Like, niggas just be feeding off my shit, like feeding off my energy type. You know what I mean? What I realized, like today, like I was telling World News, like, yo, man, when you a healer, like, you gonna attract sick people. You gonna attract toxic people because they need healing. And some people want to get healed. Some people act like they want to get healed. You know, I taught Nana a lot. Like, she know a lot of knowledge, but that knowledge don't mean shit if you can't apply it, my nigga. Knowledge is power, but wisdom is a motherfucker. And you can have all the power in the world and don't know how to use it, nigga. You can have a sword in your hand. That's the most powerful sword ever. But if you ain't got no training with that shit, you be gonna chop your fucking foot off, man. Chop your whole own head off with the power. You feel me? So power in the wrong hands is gonna end up somebody corrupt, wrong intentions, bad intentions. I'll listen to one of these coward, what should I call a mun? A mun is like a and try to turn it into just unoriginal type shit. Like, took my whole shit, I ain't even gonna say the person's name no more because I don't even want to give him no more power, but seen his little video while I was locked up, kick a nigga while he's down type shit, just to try to get the crown type shit. But it's all good because people know who the real is, bro. Like, shit is not, you know what I mean? Like, it goes without being said, really, but, you know, this is someone that stole my whole teachings and flipped that shit on some Burger King, McDonald's type shit. Like, what the fuck? McDonald's. Nigga hit me with the McDonald's. They got McDonald's, we have McDonald's. Nigga stole my whole shit. Cookie cutted that shit and then like said, fuck it, I'm gonna be. But you ain't got it, bro. If you had it, people would know who you are, but you ain't got it, bro. When you a real healer, sick people find you. This is why so many sick people surround me. And when you put my name in, I'm the truth, I'm the real deal. Because so many sick people are attaching themselves to me. Because I'm a real healer. A real healer attracts sick people, real fucked up people. And you ain't no real healer if you don't got a whole bunch of fucked up people trying to attach themselves to your energy. And they recognize your light, nigga. That's what healers attract, sick people. Because they know they can get healed. Even if people are hating on me, commenting on the videos and saying fuck this nigga and he's whatever. In the process of that, they're healing. And they're healing. I'm healing them. I'm making them somebody and become somebody. In the process of that, they become better individuals, better people critiquing me. when you critique me and you say fuck Nature Boy, then you have to be greater than Nature Boy. You can't be a hypocrite. So therefore, I'm healing them in the process. So when you a healer, you that nigga and you really got it. When you truly healing people, you gonna find sick people. And I'm not talking about, oh, I got diabetes. Because the true sickness is mental. So the true healer attracts the most demonic forces. And you have seen, if you put Nature Boy name in, you will see who the real deal is. You know what I'm saying? And it's funny because, you know, I attract toxic people. Because, and I'm not saying that I'm all the way healed. I'm just telling you that I have the knowledge. I have to apply that knowledge to my life as well. You know, just because I'm a healer or just because I got that thing, don't mean that I'm exempt from the human experience. Like, I'm still healing myself. Like, even in the process of healing others, I'm healing too. We healing each other simultaneously. We all going through healing, but some of us are divine beings and that hold a certain amount of light. You know what I'm saying? And then people see that light and they feed off of it. You know, they use it for their own thing. And it exposes in the end, you know, cheap shots. I'm going to come over here and attach myself to this name, and I'm going to say this name all the time, and I'm going to get attention. Elinia, she does deserve better. I wish she could stay with CarbonNation, but look, man, I got beautiful children, man. All my children are beautiful. And the way I gotta look at it in order for me to move forward on my journey is that my children are me. You know what I'm saying? They are me. The betrayal, yo, like, I had somebody call my phone thinking it was Elinia, like, and this is supposed to be one of my people, like one of my wives, like one of my people that got my life. Why are you calling her for? Like, if she fucked me over, why would you be calling her? For what? You just seen her punch me in my face, disrespect my daughter, like, why would you, like, shit hurts. Shit hurts, man. Like, it's like, no, you know. It comes along with the territory, man. Like, hurt people. And when you're a healer, you could attract hurt people. The sad thing is, most hurt people don't know they hurt, but they attract you. You know, you found Nature Boy for a reason because he got the remedy. He got the answers, you know, to what you need to heal yourself. You heard that? Yeah. Oh, my blood is daughter back. You want to feed off my daughter energy. Like, some people like, these demons, man, like, I tell y'all, boy, like, some sick possessed with demons. You are a demon because of your astrological energy, and you can't wait to suck my daughter's energy dry. Like, you want to suck them dry. You no good intention. You couldn't do nothing for Elinia. Like, Elinia was with the smartest man on this planet. Like, there's nothing that you can teach her. There's nothing that you can tell her. She's smart. Even Elinia is smarter than most people. And I don't mean to offend nobody, but you know who I'm talking to. If the shoe fit, put that bitch on. If I'm not talking to you and it doesn't apply to you, then don't take it personal. Don't get an attitude. If I'm just saying this in general and I'm saying you, and you take it offense to it and the shoe fits, you know, if the hit dog gonna holler. So if I'm not talking to you and I ain't saying anything personal, then don't take it personally. But if I'm and wear it, you feel what I'm saying? So many people want to feed off my energy through entities that were attached to me. It's sad. It's sad. It's sad. And I feel sorry for Elinia, cause she about to be lost in the sauce. Cause it's like what could y'all tell Elinia? Like, what could y'all teach her? Like, other than anger management? But outside of that, like, the girl smarter than everybody that ever could talk to her now, cause she done got my mind. Like she got my mind. She don't apply the power. She very powerful. She don't know how to apply the shit. But being around y'all gonna dumb her down. She gonna be irritated, cause she ain't. Once you take that red pill, you can't untake it. That's why people that leave here never stop following me, never can stop getting me off their mind. You can't. You done got. You know what I'm saying? Like, you done open, like, nigga, the smartest nigga in the planet. Like, I know everything now. I can see everything for what it is. And then you go back to Babylon and people be talking about stupid shit. And you be like, what? Huh? It's gonna irritate. You thought you was irritated here. You're gonna be really irritated when you go back there where you're smarter than everybody and you trying to teach them. And niggas ain't trying to hear that shit. It's the worst in Babylon. Niggas ain't trying to hear you. Like, you be trying to tell people, like, look, it's fluoride in the water. We really shouldn't be drinking and taking a shower in that water. We should really, like, get to a river and, like, try to find, like, some tropical areas where there's no chemtrails and no chemicals in the water. And we should probably go take a bath over there so that, you know, our minds can be better, if our blood is better and our DNA is in our blood. So if we're going to unlock our DNA, we have to eat the right food, use the right water, get plenty of sunlight to activate codes and all this stuff. And should we, you know, you telling people that shit in Babylon, they be like, yeah, right, yup. And go right around the corner and get some McDonald's and eat that shit in your face. And you be like, yo, I can't be, like, CarbonNation people, we can't live like y'all. Like, we can't be like y'all. Like, yo, like, you can't do the same shit, bro. Like, cause we know too much, too intelligent. Niggas is too intelligent. Niggas know too much to do some dumb shit. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if you gotta be, I'm not talking about if you gotta be in Babylon, like you take a shower in Babylon, you gotta be there to take a shower. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I ain't saying be extreme. I'm saying get to a better place, bro. Like, you feel what I'm saying? I'm not saying like, oh, if I'm in Babylon, I ain't gonna take a shower. No, I'm gonna take a shower. I'm just not gonna continue to take a shower there, bro. Like, I'm not stupid. One chlorine bath ain't gonna hurt me. I'm just saying, like, I ain't gonna continue to take this shit and be there like it's just my lifestyle. Like, yeah, I know it's chlorine and just keep taking for the rest of my fucking life. What I'm saying is that, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a master, bro. Like, I'm a master. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, well, I become my environment. Like, but I know my proper environment. If I'm in Babylon, I'm a Babylon, nigga. I'm a be Babylon. Cause I'm not gonna resist my environment. It's the only way you can survive. You gotta become your environment. So if I need to be that, I'll be that. But I'm telling you what's best for humanity. I'm here teaching you what's best for humanity. You feel me? Yeah. So like I said, bro, like it's beyond it. When you become awoke, it's kind of hard to go unawoke and be around people unawoke. So it's with Eliana, she been around me so long, like y'all gonna bug her the fuck out. When she get back to Babylon, y'all gonna bug her the fuck. She gonna be really snapping, cause she can't. She me, like she literally is me, like she everything that I am, like, you know what I mean? Like, so it's just sad because, you know, I can't take her back because of the fact that she keep doing the same shit, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I don't need that shit, bro. Like, I don't need it, bro. I don't need it. You know what I mean? I know y'all like, where's she at? Where's she at? Where's the baby? Like on some creepy shit. Like, yo, relax. You interested in, like, damn, like, they'll get anything that's attached to me. Like, it's weird. It's really weird. It's like, but then I realized another thing, like, people, there's fans and then there's disciples. Like, some people are fans of Nature Boys. Like, they hate me and they love me, but they're still fanatics. And so, like, this shit is gone way beyond what I wanted it to be. Like, I just wanted a whole bunch of people that was listening and intelligent and sat around and we all got together and, like, got online and started exposing the truth to people about Babylon and the government and what they're doing and how we should live. This is all I ever wanted. I ain't all this other weirdo shit, but then I realized, like, why that's happening. Like, you know what I mean? Like, that comes with it. Like, weird shit comes with healing. Toxic people come with healing, and it just is what it is. Like, you know what I mean? Like, a lot of my drama has been at the expense of toxic people that I've dealt with, trying to help them heal, and I take responsibility for dealing with. This is the job that I left. I left a successful life in Babylon. You feel what I'm saying? And man, she fucked my face up, dude. I left a very successful life in Babylon to do what I'm doing, because this fed my soul to help people. See, when I was in my barbershop, if you could ask anybody that was there, I was the same dude I am now. I was talking to people about diet. I was talking to people about, you know, rub on our feet, nature, the trees, the birds, cells in the body. I was talking about all this shit in the barbershop, but niggas ain't want to hear it. You know what I'm saying? Like, niggas ain't want to hear what I was talking about. Like, yo, like, what you talking about? You feel me? Like, niggas was looking at me like, bruh, cut my hair, my nigga. Like, put the game on. Like, nobody want to talk about this. On Saturday, when I had everybody's attention, I would spark conversation about, you know, where's your immune system? Who could tell me where this is me in my barbershop. Who could tell me where the immune system at right now? Tell me where the immune. Niggas ain't even know where their immune system was located. Talking about, yeah, I got that disease. You got a disease, you don't even know where your immune system is located. Of course you got a disease, you're an idiot. You heard that?
Yeah, I heard that. It's from dysentery all day.
Oh. Huh?
This is the guys next door. They've been shooting. I think they're shooting off for his fireworks or something. I heard that all day today.
Yeah. Goodwill Hunting, man. That was the last time I said it.
Right.
Yeah, so, you know, I would ask people stuff like that and try to educate the people in my barbershop, and it was like, yo, nobody give a fuck. Like, the black community did not give a fuck about true knowledge and wisdom of self. Like, nobody cared about that. Niggas was worried about what's the trending hot topic on dumb shit. And that's why I realized, like, yo, I can't do this no more, yo. People hear the truth, but they, like, and then there's some people that do, you can have conversation with, you can take it, like, to a certain extent. And I would talk to niggas, and they be looking at me like, yo, you's a smart nigga, yo. Like, yo, don't tell me I'm smart. Nigga, I don't want you to tell me I'm smart, nigga. I want you to tell me, like, yo, I want to change. Niggas like, yo, you stop smoking sick. Look, when I went back to Babylon, I was smoking Black and Miles with them. I was drinking with them. I went back to Babylon. If I go back to Babylon, I'm gonna be a Babylon nigga. Like, I'm dedicated to whatever I do. So I had left Babylon, went in the bush, stayed in there with my RV. I had went in the Keys of Florida, lived in the bush for a year, running from my shop from my RV in the bush. I had been left when I was in Babylon. You feel what I'm saying? Got an RV, packed all I had a big ass house on the block. I had the biggest house on the block. You know what I'm saying? I consolidated my whole house into one RV and left and traveled the coast of Florida. I had my phone on camera. I had a manager. The manager would put my booth rent in the business account every week. I did not have to be there to run my shop. And I was doing that for a year. And I was in the bush. And I was just studying. Just meditating. You feel me? I was out there playing chess, just in nature, just connecting. Like, my mind was boop, 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 just getting all this knowledge and shit. And I was like, it's before there was live on Instagram, before there was live on Facebook, you feel me? I was just out there in the bush, just waking up. You know what I'm saying? Like, just really out there, you know what I mean? Just getting the understanding and, you know, getting close to nature. Something was always telling me to go close to nature, because nature is the cleanser, so that you can get to understand and access the knowledge that you've been granted when you came here. Every one of you, if you want to find your purpose, you got to cleanse your body. You got to get close to nature, because when you get close to nature, it cleanses you to the point where you can tap into your formation. That means the knowledge that formulates within your DNA that's sitting there lying dormant. It can't get there because of the food you eat and the just get rid of all the distractions and go into isolation and really tap in, like feed yourself one fruit at a time, mono eat, like literally sit with your body and let it heal. When you do that, like your mind start revealing shit to you, like it don't come from no book. You go back to the book to look, but you knew it in your mind. You like, oh shit. And then you quick to go research what you unveiled within yourself. And then people be like, oh, you got that from offline. Nah, nigga. I got that from within me. Information that formulated from within my DNA that correlated to the message that was within me. And my purpose of being here. Every one of y'all have a purpose, and that purpose is to deliver a message. I don't give a fuck what you think. Every one of y'all have information in your DNA that you was born with that's lying dormant. A lot of y'all, if you lying dormant and you doing somebody else's message, like you living somebody else's message, you program, you sleep. But the niggas that woke up, there's a message in each and every one of us that got a piece of information, and we supposed to put that information online, and one person supposed to connect to one person, and one other person supposed to connect their information to another person, and collectively we supposed to become enlightened from each other, because we're consciousness, we are the universe enlightening itself through consciousness. And so one person can say something that can spark something in you that you like, oh shit, and then spark another thought within you, and just having a conversation, you become enlightened. And it's like no one taught you shit, you just was enlightened through the conversation. You might watch some of my videos, and in my videos you might start listening to me, hear me talk, and you might enlighten you with something I said, like, yo, I never heard it like that, but this person sparked me. Not that I taught you, I enlightened, or I sparked your own awakening. You understand? So your shit start unraveling and you start getting thirsty for knowledge. Then you be like, yo, looking around like, yo, I'm gonna do me some yoga. I'm gonna eat me some mangoes. You know what I mean? Like, I'm about to do a detox. You know what I'm saying? And so you start to really get involved. Before you know it, you start looking weird to people in your life. You start, leave your hair alone, you like, start taking off the makeup, you start looking weird to your family. You at the table eating sides and shit. Motherfuckers is looking at you like, bro, what the fuck wrong with you, man? You on that shit, you woke. And you like, yeah, just give me the peas. You feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's what you do on social media. You talk, man. Somebody said you talk a lot. Yeah, man, that's what you do. You talk. That's what you watching this live for. It'd be weird if I wasn't saying that. I'm talking, niggas. That's what I'm doing. Anyway, so you be the person that start, looking like Jay-Z. Like, oh, what the fuck going on with your hair? Like, you ain't wearing no makeup no more? What's going on? You smelling like fruit? And you like, yeah, man, I'm over here. You read this book, you read that book, you just in searching of yourself. For everybody out there to notice, you got a message in your DNA, and you're not able to tap in because you being disturbed and distracted by dumb shit. But you got this information that's lying dormant in you that you can't tap into unless you put your feet on the earth and really go and spend time alone. You know what I'm saying? And then only allow people in your life, after you understand your purpose and your mission, only allow people in your life that you can utilize on that mission to get you where you need to go. Because you ain't got no time for nothing else. But most people don't even know why they're here. Most people ain't even asking no question like, yo, what the fuck is this? I'm just living this life, talking shit, running around, going to sleep, waking up, going to sleep, waking up, going to sleep, waking up, never asking, what the fuck is this? You going to sleep, waking up, going to sleep, waking up, never asking like, yo, what the fuck? I remember going to sleep, waking up, going to sleep, waking up, and every AM I'm like, yo, what? Every time I wake up, I'm like, yo, I'm back to this shit. Like, what is this? Why do I keep ending up back here? Like, what the fuck? How did I get here? Why don't I remember anything before this? And I was asking shit like that, man. Like, and I only like to talk to people that ask questions like that. Who, what, where, and why. What the fuck, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? They want you to work. Yeah, you right. Straight fruit. Yeah. That's a fact. Yeah, like I do this to get it out my DNA. Like, ain't nothing like live, because live lets you get your mind out, like write and do. But I'm a talker. I'm a communicator. I like to talk to people. I like to get it out. Like, so vlogging was my claim to fame, because it's like, yo, this allowed me to organize my thoughts and put them in videos and be helpful to other people and put it out there. And even though I was sometimes been mean in what I've been saying, I was always trying to like push people that were weak within them own selves. Like, and a lot of people that weren't weak was like, man, why you screaming, nigga? I'm like, well, it's not for you. It's to inspire those that are down and out, to give them confidence, to give them balls, to get the fuck up and do what they need to do. But some people were offended by that. Like, they like, oh, well, I don't like the way you said it. Well, it wasn't meant for you, but you took it, you know what I'm saying? And you made it about you, but it's not about you, you know? So, nah, she not sleeping in the van. The van is not even here. She's sleeping over in another house, in another room. She in another room, like her and the baby, like they over there. She's good. She's safe. She's good. She's safe. All knowing. Somebody said you're all knowing. Like, nah, like, I'm not all knowing. You just all knowing what you know. You know all that you know. You feel me? All that you're supposed to know. That's your purpose. Your purpose is to know what you're supposed to know and play that out and act that out in your life. Like, that's your purpose. Like, I know all I need to know. You know what I'm saying? To do what I need to do. You know what I'm saying? I came here for a mission. I know everything I need to know. I'm not all knowing. I don't know how to do surgery. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a lawyer. I don't know all. That would be impossible for me to know. I'm too limited to know all. You feel what I'm saying? Even though I am all. To know all is not my purpose. My purpose is to know all that I know. Period. You feel what I'm saying? We are all knowing in a sense, in our infinite state, in our higher self. But we are finite. And we know what we're supposed to know for our mission. If I know all I need to know, how come I still didn't know what to do with my life? Because you don't know all that you need to know. Keep your head up. I love myself. That's real. I think she will calm down and be back with you. Did you see? Please answer my questions. What's your questions? Yeah, I used to be writing on Facebook, then they took my Facebook down. No, I'm not taking her back. The baby is with her. Can I do a call? Yep.
Hello?
What's going on, Reflection?
What's up, Chief, man? A long time, man. How you been?
Good, man. One day at a time, you know? One day at a time. I had better days, though.
Yeah, man. I'm not going to take up too much of your time, man. I'll hit you up later on in the future. I was going to say, man, I like your music. I really like the music, man.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that.
Y'all got anything coming soon?
Yeah, we got some stuff that they've been working on, like, you know, we got a couple songs coming out, but we trying to get back stable. When we get back stable, we going to do more music.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, man, can you save these lives? Yeah, man, but I love the music, man. I love the message, man. Real good. I'm trying to work right now, man. I'm trying to be on the same vibes, you know?
Right. Well, send me some beats, man. CarbonNation Production at gmail.com.
Man, I'll send you everything, man. Beats open, man. But I'm gonna let you go, man. You have a good night, man. Be good, alright?
Alright, be good, G.
Alright, peace.
Y'all be cool in the room, man. Y'all be cool, man. Be nice. Yo, did y'all know that? Let me tell you something, man. Like, everything that you type out in these chat rooms, I know y'all want attention. I know you say, like, a lot of y'all say mean things to people and stuff like that, but be careful what you type, man, because you're going to be held accountable for this shit. Like, what I realized when I died is that you don't get away with shit. Like, everything is recorded. Like, everything you said that might have affected somebody else, that you sent negative energy out in these social medias. It's funny that we're in a time and space where everything you're saying is being recorded and, like, it's, like, documented. Like, you know what I mean? Like, be careful, bro, because at the end of your life, y'all don't live y'all life like you gonna die. Like, you gonna die one day, my nigga. Like, you gonna have to answer for everything you typed, everything you said, everything you did. Like, and you should be thinking about death and what it's gonna be like for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, have you thought about what it's gonna be like to die? And what's gonna be on your mind? Like, what's really gonna be on your mind when the lights go out? It's your time to settle down. Like, what's really gonna be on your mind? I could tell you this: your whole life is gonna flash back, and you're gonna want to be proud of what you did. So be a stand-up person, man. Like, cause what you're doing right now, even if you being negative in this room, you're gonna be held accountable for that. And the universe gonna look at you like, yo, why you did that? Why you had to say that? Like, that was mean. And you're gonna be like, oh no, I was just like, but that affected that person. Like, you should never. Why was you sending out that negative vibe? You were sending out negative vibes to get attention, or you felt like no one heard you in the room, so you had to do extra shit to get attention. Like, don't do that. Don't do that. It's enough to just put positive things in. You'll get attention. People will acknowledge you if you just be cool. I know you gotta be the oddball to get attention. You gotta say the thing that's gonna make everybody be like, you know, but there's too many people trying to get attention and thinking about morals over their desires. So what if you just sent out positive energy? Just said, I love everybody. Thank you. Send hearts. Like, always send positive out, yo. Because you're going to get positive back. If you send negative out, you got to get that negative back. Now, that don't mean that every time you send positive out, you're going to get positive back. But it is what it is. Yeah, but be careful, because some jokes can be taken out of context. You feel what I'm saying? Nah, Pocahontas ain't in contact. You see everybody being positive now, man. Yeah, I think everything is karma. I think that everything that's happening to us is our karma. Like, but karma don't gotta be bad. You know what I'm saying? Like, your karma could be just the inevitable that has to happen. And like all of us are pieces of the all. And whatever is happening to you, it has to happen for things to become what they need to become. So don't feel bad. Don't feel, just know like, yo, this is me. This is what's supposed to happen. Like, I'm a part of something bigger than me. You know what I'm saying? But if you don't know that you're a part of something bigger than you, then you're going to be sitting around thinking it's about you. It ain't about you, dog. And don't get me wrong, you're not just one drop in the ocean, but you're the whole ocean in the drop. But you gotta realize there's other drops that make up the ocean. So those other drops are parallel verses of you. So if you want to think about it on a deeper level, like, yo, the shit that's going on in your life is just a piece of what needs to happen in this big ass puzzle. So like, don't take yourself too serious. You know what I'm saying? Because what's happening to you has to happen for the universe to become what it needs to be. And you just know that you're a piece of it. And like, okay, I'm playing my part in it all. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, and be cool about that and accept it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Accept that ride. Like, and just do your best. Like, do the right thing, man. Like, send out positive energy, send out positive vibes. Like, stay positive. Like, and just because you're positive don't mean that you're going to get back positive, because more than likely you're probably going to get back some negative, because positive attracts negative. You know what I'm saying? And light attract dark entities. So the more light you are, the more positive, or the more negative you go on track. The more light you have, the more conscious you are, the more silly motherfuckers you go on track. Like, I'm just letting you know, like, the more conscious you become, and the more aware you become, the more lonely you become. Because very few people are able to tap into the high frequencies of understanding. So, you know, it's not for everybody. You know what I'm saying? So you're going to be alone. There's going to be a couple of y'all niggas. That's it. You feel me? So, yeah, the brighter the light, the darker the shadow. Exactly. The bigger the light. Under no circumstances, like, I feel like, man, I love that girl, man. It's just like, I can't allow that energy to continue to be here. And after what she did tonight, it was like blatant out disrespect. Like, I ain't never see her be that disrespectful. You feel me? And like, that was it. Like, I realized, like, oh, we taking it all the way there now, huh? So it's like, nah, like, I gotta love myself enough to not let that continue to happen. Like, you know what I'm saying? So I'm never gonna let nothing like her be stranded. And my daughter, like, if she ever like be like, yo, like, I want to come back, but as far as her being my wife and all that, like, man, for what I need, what I'm doing, nah, dogs, like, I can't have that. Like, you know, you feel what I'm saying? Like, I told you, I love her, like, because I love her beyond her stupidity, but at the end of the day, at this point, it's like, ain't no change being shown. So without the change, it's gonna be perpetuated again. And like, ain't nobody trying to be sitting here you know. Look, like I told you, man, I've been around the sun damn near 40 times. I've been on this earth plane a long time. It's a lot of knowledge I have, a lot of power and wisdom, you know what I'm saying, that I have. And it only behooves me to use it and get the most out of it and help as many as I can. And do what's best for myself in the end, because I gotta take care of me. I gotta love myself. You feel what I'm saying? And dealing with toxic people that don't want to change and don't want to become more and grow, it's going to hurt me. So I got to let it go, and I can't hurt myself. I got to love me. I know you understand that. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Yeah. But I'm glad I was able to, like I told you, it's in love sometimes. With me being a Venus and Pisces in the 4th house, my love is like unconditional. You feel what I'm saying? So like I love people deeply. I love the world deeply. You feel me? Like I love everybody equally. I love people. I love animals. I love trees. I love everything. And I feel like true love don't got shit to do with you. It really don't. When you really love somebody, it's not about you. It's about them. It's about that submission to giving someone love beyond you. You know, we think of love about, you know, how we feel, you know, and not, true love is sacrifice. True love is not about you. It's about, when Jesus was getting beat on the cross, it wasn't about him. He said, yo, forgive them. They don't even know what they doing. That's love. Love is sacrifice. You know what I'm saying? Pass your limits. That's what love is, bro. You know, love is understanding. Love is, you know, when you love someone, you love them past their flaws. Like your mother love you past your stupid ass flaws. Your mother know you. She love you anyway, baby. I know. And you know, and it just is what it is. And until you learn that, will you ever truly learn love? You know what I'm saying? And it's beyond you. When you think about yourself. And that's cool, because self-perseverance is the essence of have to get it first to give it. And I know what love is because life taught me what love is. You know, nature taught me what love is. All the animals in nature put their life on the line for another animal. They'll help another animal. Like, you know, love is a beautiful thing. You feel what I'm saying? And with Eliana, I wanted to give her that love, man, that she never had from her dad. You know, I wanted to give her that. I wanted to give her that love she didn't get from her pops. You know what I'm saying? I want her to feel like I wasn't gonna give up on you, baby. I'm here. You did some stupid shit, babe, but I'm still here. I love you. You're gonna do better. And it's like, you would think in your mind that it'd be like, damn, this person really care about me. Shit, they ain't give up on me. Nah. When it's deeply rooted, no matter how much you try to love somebody, if they don't love themselves enough to receive that love and to appreciate that love and not take that for granted, it don't matter how much you give somebody love. That shit, they'll just take that shit and shit on you. You know what I'm saying? They'll take your love and put it up your ass, nigga. And you be looking like, damn. You can better let it go. Let it go. Looks like another love TKO. You know? So that be the circumstances where you can't extend yourself more than what you have. You know what I'm saying? Like, how can you love somebody more than you love yourself? Like, you can't give somebody more than they're willing to give themselves. If I believe in you more than you believe in yourself, hurting myself by doing so. I'm only hurting myself by doing something. That ain't loving me. If I believe in you more than you believe in yourself, and the way I believe in you don't inspire you to believe in yourself the way I believe in you, then I'm hurting myself fucking with you. So I could believe in you. I could say, baby, you genius, baby. You the goddess. Look at you. You by me. fuck is you talking about? Whatever you want, this is yours. You feel me? But if I let you loose at my house, handling, you know what I mean, making that shit a home, like, oh, hell no. You walking around like a, you know what I'm saying? So there was a lack of confidence, and I was trying to build that shit and build that shit and build that. Because I feel like people that are confident to give that confidence to those that are not as confident. There's no reason why you have more of something other than the fact to give that shit to somebody that has less than you. But if you got a lot of confidence, because you a Leo moon, you got all this fire in your chart. You gotta let confidence. That confidence ain't for you to utilize for you. Yes, it's for you to, to use to survive for the attention amount you might need, but it's also there to help others, to inspire others that don't have that much confidence. So let me tell any of y'all in there that whatever your talent is, your gift was given to you to give to somebody that don't got that shit. So if somebody lacking confidence, your confidence is supposed to inspire others to be confident as well that don't have that confidence. They can look to you and you inspire them, because everybody don't have confidence. And whatever you do have, you're supposed to be giving to somebody that don't have it. And so I felt like Eliana lacked confidence, and I'm exuding confidence. So I'm like, oh, we're perfect for each other. Shit, I'll give you all the confidence you need. Who them niggas? Fuck them niggas. They don't worry about them niggas, baby. Yo, look at yourself in the mirror. You the queen, like, you good. Dress yourself up. Get yourself fucking mind right. You dope as fuck. Fuck out of here, nigga. Fuck them niggas. You know what I'm saying? Like, why you even think about what these niggas thinking anyway? Fuck. This how I used to talk to her. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't give a fuck. Because me, I'm exuding the way my mind think. They don't give a fuck what nobody think about me. It only matter what I think about myself that feeds me. You could think I'm the flyest nigga ever. That's cool. Me and you got a lot in common. Because my self-esteem is high. So I feel like if I got a high self-esteem, my self-esteem is supposed to help somebody with low self-esteem. And we all supposed to feed off of each other. And as long as you're in my presence, I'm going to build you up. But I can't build you up and then you don't believe. You got to believe shit I'm telling you. You feel what I'm saying, Tron? If I'm telling you, yo, Tron, you that nigga, yo. And you yourself, and you look in the mirror, you like, Chief says I'm not nigga, but I sure don't feel like it. You know what I mean? Like, come on, bro. Like, it don't matter how much you inspire somebody that don't believe in themselves, it don't matter. You know what I'm saying? That's the problem. But, like I said, man, I ain't want to give up on her. You know what I mean? Because her daddy gave up. Everybody gave up on her in her fucking life, bro. I'm like, I'm going to go hard for her, bro. You feel me? And when I realized, I'm like, oh, shit. This ain't got nothing to do with me. Her not accepting that love. Her not accepting that it had nothing to do with me. Everything to do with how she feel about herself. And, her self-sabotaging the whole situation. Like, fuck it. Go be with her then. And I'm like, okay, that's that low self-esteem type shit. Like, okay, you know what I'm saying? And that shit gonna be your excuse? That's gonna be your excuse? How long that's gonna last? And then she young, making these mistakes that I'm the butt end of, and I'm like, bro, I can't keep doing this to myself. Like, I'm doing this to myself, bro. Like, and you young, and I'm doing something with my life. I'm on a purpose. I'm on a mission. I really don't got time for this shit. So when it got to the point where it got today, where it was like, okay, you getting physical, punching me in my face, like biting and shit, and like really wailing out. Like, not that you haven't did that before, but it really got to the point where you was just like being totally blatantly disrespectful. Then I'm like, okay, now you biting the hand that feeds you. The only nigga that really care about you, you shitting on him. Like, okay, all right. You know what I'm saying? I'm there for you, my nigga. Like, I'm the nigga there for you. You gonna shit on me? Hey, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't did nothing to you. You leaving because of polygamy? Because you mad about polygamy? Look, I was polygamous before I met you.
She knew that too.
You see what I'm saying? So I'm always been like this. I ain't never lied to you. I've been honest with you. I ain't did nothing to you. And you leaving because of that? Okay. I mean, well, salute. You know what I'm saying? Because what could I do?
You know what I understand?
Yeah, I don't like blocking people no more. But if you're gonna be completely disrespectful, then I gotta take you out of there. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm trying not to block people no more. But if you're gonna be blatantly disrespectful in the room, then I'm gonna take you out. I'm gonna give Darling Nikki, I'm gonna let you just slide. Like that's gonna be the last time I'm gonna let anybody say nothing disrespectful in the room. You know what I'm saying? Like I try not to. I unblocked everybody. Everybody's in the room. Like let's not take it for granted. You feel what I'm saying? Like if I see you say something disrespectful, then I'm just gonna block you because it ain't even that kind of party. Appreciate the hearts. Yeah, you supposed to protect the family. But it's the thing, like she young, man. Like I said, yo, what's up, Big Dread? Man, a lot, man. Yeah, but love is understanding, bro. When you say, people love you. People love you. When you say people love you, people would never hurt you, never harm you. You feel what I'm saying? And like people gotta love themselves. Like people can only love you as much as they love themselves. People can only teach you as much as they know. People can only give you as much as they got. You feel what I'm saying? And a lot of people don't got a lot. So, you know what I'm saying? It's up to us to, and be like, look, man, I'm not really fucking with nobody that don't love themselves. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta love yourself for me to fuck with you. Like, you gotta know yourself. And if you don't know yourself, you gotta be someone constantly in search and seeking self and understanding self. And you know when you really know who somebody is under pressure. Under pressure, let me tell you something about life, little Jim. You don't know who the fuck you got in your circle. Pressure show you everything. You know what I'm saying? You don't know what you got in your corner until somebody under pressure. You don't know if that's your friend until you in the gym and you ain't got nothing. You don't know until you see somebody angry that you see their true color. You don't know people until you see them angry. See how they deal with anger. You know what I'm saying? See how they deal with pressure. That's the weird thing about meeting somebody online, right? It's because people be betraying one way, and then when you meet them and you see them under pressure, you be like, this motherfucker immature. This motherfucker got a lot of shit they dealing with. You don't know them. They all sweet until they get mad. You don't know nobody until they get angry. You know somebody. Sometimes I'll be waiting for that. I'll be waiting. Here it come. To the circumstances where they angry and you know what I'm saying? You watch it from a distance and you be like, oh, how you deal with anger lets you know everything about a person. That's what you really know. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm about to get some rest right now. There's some really creepy shit going on. Alright, y'all, we about to get out of here. It's getting weird. Hey. I love myself, yo. Y'all be good, alright? Peace, God.